Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT output text undetectable. I'm going to show you how we can hide ChatGPT generated text from any AI generated contact detection tools. First of all, we need to ask ChatGPT to generate some answers for us. For example, for this question, let's copy ChatGPT output and check it with some AI generated content detection services. Let's check the first AI text classifier. Result is likely AI generated. Let's check another on hide moderation. Text is detected as AI generated with score almost 99%. And now let's copy ChatGPT generated text to hide GPT tool and click Office Gate. So we've got Office Gate for mass text. Now we need to check outdated from high ChatGPT text. Let's check first with AI text classifier from OpenAI. So its unsure text is AI generated. Test 1 passed. Let's check on hidemoderation.com. So the input is not likely to contain AI generated text. And another one, check predicting human content score 100%. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can make ChatGPT output text undetectable. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.